Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So let's take one more example on constant acceleration case. From location A, there are two particles P and Q. One is moving with a speed of 15 meters per second with acceleration A1, and Q is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second with acceleration A2. And they keep moving, and when they reach to the location B, the velocity of P is given as 30 meters per second. What could be the velocity of Q? They are asking. What could be the velocity of Q? Now observe clearly. The initial velocities are given from the location A. The both particles are having different accelerations. When they reach to the location B, if the velocity of particle P is 30 meters per second, what is the velocity of the particle Q? Now how do you take this? Now let's see how can we do. What is a common for both the cases, both the particles? The distance they move is same, and the time what they spend is also same. Okay, so S and T are same for P and Q. Now displacement and time are same, isn't it? Now how do you write? I told you already, displacement is average velocity into time. Okay. Now displacement average velocity, how do you write? V plus U plus V by 2 into T. And I told you how can when can we write this? This is average velocity in case of constant acceleration. So valid for constant acceleration, we can write average velocity as U plus V by 2. And I told you in one of our previous lectures also. Now for P I am writing, so S and T same, isn't it? Therefore, so U plus V by 2 for P is equivalent to U plus V by 2 for Q. Okay. Why? Because displacement is S and T, both are same for P and Q, therefore their average speeds are also equal. So what is U? U is nothing but 15 plus what is V by 2, 30. 15 plus 30 by 2. This must be equivalent to what is U? 20 plus velocity of Q we don't know upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. How much is that? 45 is equivalent to 20 plus velocity of the Q. So velocity of the Q is equivalent to, it's a 25 meters per second. So this is what the velocity of the Q at point B. Yeah, thank you.